Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today we're going to make these bone and triangle brass earrings. So today you're just going to need 2 pairs of pliers, and we're going to start by attaching the bone to the first triangle. So what we're going to do to attach that is use a jump ring. So the jump ring is an open jump ring, meaning it has a split in it. So you're going to need to find where that split is. You're going to put a pair of pliers on one side, and then you're going to put your pair of pliers on the other side. And you're just going to twist that open, and then you're going to put the drop on there, and then the triangle. Then I'm going to put the pair of pliers on either side and twist it right back into place. And then to attach the next 2 triangles, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to twist that jump ring open, attach my triangle, attach the other triangle, and then I'm going to twist it into place. Then I'm going to open my ear wire at the bottom where there's a loop. I'm just going to twist that open. And then I'm going to put the top of the triangle on. And then I'm going to twist it back into place. And there you go. Thanks so much. All supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com.